Friends and fellow devotees of the Lord, namaskar to every one of you. We are met together again at a question answer session, and as you know, questions could be asked by anyone, answers too could be given by anyone. For surely there will be some questions to which I may not be able to give adequate answers. And if at any time you find that you have a better answer to a question than the one that I have given, kindly don't hesitate in asking for the mic. As I said yesterday, none will be happier than I to be enlightened by your knowledge, your wisdom, your experience. Question number 1.
Shall we start with the question of a child? She says, I'm 11 years old. I always wanted to come and meet you. Can I come to the stage to seek your blessings? There is a child, 11-year-old, who wants to come and seek Dada's blessings.
He should bring a certificate with himself that he is 11 years old.
He's coming.
What is your beautiful name? Krishna. Krishna. Today we are singing songs in praise of Krishna, and Krishna has come himself. So do I. Keep on loving everybody.
Pranams, Dada. Dada, this question is related to the event that was held last night, the play that was conducted by the bridge builders. One person is asking, I have fulfilled my lifelong dream, but yet I feel purposeless and lost. I even feel very afraid to sit alone by myself. Dada, will you please help me, and can you give me your blessings?
Will you please?
Help me and give me your blessings.
Has it been signed by anyone?
No, Dada, there's no name.
If I know the name, I would pray for him. I would ask our prayer group also to pray for him. And he should keep on repeating the name of God, any name that appeals to him, as often as he can. We get so much time, we waste it in vain in thinking thoughts which are useless, which do not help us at all. Let us utilize the time that we get in repeating the name of God. A stage should come in our life when with every breath that we take in and every breath that we take out is filled with the holy name of God. If you do that, this difficulty will be over. Yes.
प्रणाम दादा. दादा हिकु भेण पुछे थी त किन जी सुर्त जल्दी खुली वेंदी आहे ऐं किन खे सालनि जा साल लॻी वेंदा आहिनि पर कोड़े जा कोड़ा ख़ाली. दादा ईअं छो? मुंहिंजी बि अहिड़ी हालति आहे. अहिड़ी का रहमत करियो जो तव्हांजे चरणनि में क़बूल पवां. कहिड़े बि हाल में हुजां पर रहां हमेशह तव्हांजे कमल क़दमनि में.
कमाईअ ते डिपेंड करे थो. असां घणेई जन्मनि मां लंघिया आहियूं. हिकु हिकु जन्म में कुझु न कुझु कमाई करियूं था. कंहिं घणी कमाई कई आहे, कंहिं थोरी कमाई कई आहे. इन करे वञो वधीक वधीक कमाई कंदा। गुरु नानक देव पंहिंजे हिकु मिठे गीत में चवे थो, जिस वखर लैन तूं आयो। त असीं हिते आया आहियूं हिकु वखर, हिकु चीज़, हिकु शइ, हिकु ऑब्जेक्ट उहो हथु करण लाइ। पर असीं ॿियो सभु कुझु कमु, मां ॿाहिरि तो जेको गीत डॉक्टर हरेश असांखे ॿुधाईंदो आहे, त उन में ही अखर अचनि था त ॿिया कम तो घणेई कया, केतिरा ई कम तो कया, पर कमनि जो कमु तो विसारियो आहे। इहो असांखे न करणु घुरिजे। असीं जंहिं पर्पज़ वास्ते हिन पृथ्वी ते आया आहियूं, जो बि वखर हिन बाज़ार मां असांखे मिली सघे थो, दिस अर्थ इज़ अ मार्केट प्लेस, जो वखर असांखे हिते मिली सघे थो, वखर वञूं कठो कंदा, वञूं कठो कंदा। ॾिसो को माण्हू आहे, भारत में संदसि जनमु थियो आहे, पर विलायत में वञे थो ऐं वञी उते पोरियो करे थो। के मूंखे मिलिया आहिनि, मूंखे चवंदा आहिनि त असां विलायत में एॾो पोरियो कयो, एॾा पघर ॻायासीं जो ॿुधाए बि नथा सघूं। हिकु माण्हूअ मूंखे चयो, चईं मां हरूं खणी कपिड़नि जूं पुठीअ ते ऐं पाण सां सुकल रोटी ऐं पाणी खणी वेंदो हुउसि फ्रॉम प्लेस टू प्लेस। खाईंदो सुकल रोटी पाणीअ में ॿोड़े। केॾी तपस्या जी ज़िंदगी हिन माण्हूअ जी, त विलायत में हुन कमाई कई, मोटी आयो भारत में, अची मौजूं कयईं, अची मज़े में रहियो। त असां हुन जी जीवन ॾिठी जेका भारत में अची गुज़ारियईं, पर जेको पोरियो हिन कयो उहो असां ॾिठो कोन। इन करे असीं पुछूं पिया छो ही मज़े में रहियो पियो आहे ऐं असीं पिया ॻहूं। न मुंहिंजा प्यारा भाउरो, मुंहिंजूं भेनरूं, कमाई करियो, कमाई करियो, कमाई करियो। इहा कमाई तव्हांखे किथे ईंदी जन्म जन्म में।
This question says, I find the concepts of meditation disassociating with the body mind, very complex. Is there a simpler way for me?
The simpler way is to repeat the holy name as often as you can. It is the simplest way. Even if you get 5 seconds, 10 seconds, in those 5 or 10 seconds, you can repeat the holy name 5 times, 7 times, 10 times. Meditation is not for everyone. Meditation is for those who have learned the lesson of concentration, which in itself is very difficult. There is another method which you could follow. If you could do kirtan with a group of bhaktas, that will also lift up your current of consciousness. But just repeating the holy name of God is enough, yes.
Dada, why do people fast? Does it help to cut down the karma?
It doesn't help to cut down the karma, but it helps you to grow in strength of will, in willpower. And fasting also helps in inner purification. It is one of the sadhanas that you could perform, yes.
भली ॿिए जो कमु उत्तम हुजे त बि पंहिंजे ई फ़र्ज़ में मरणु बहितर आहे। उन जी माना छा आहे?
उन जी माना आहे त तोखे जेको ड्यूटी मिली आहे, तोखे जेको कमु करिणो आहे, सो तूं कमु कंदो रहो। ॿिए जे कम में तूं हथु न विझ. Just to give you an example, मां स्काउट हुअसि, पोइ असीं स्काउट्स हर साल वैराइटी एंटरटेनमेंट शो माण्हुनि खे ॾेखारींदा हुआसीं. पोइ इन एंटरटेनमेंट शो में हिकु सीन हुई, जंहिं सीन में मूंखे पार्ट ॾिनऊं नेपोलियन जो. नेपोलियन द ग्रेट एम्परर. मूंखे रुगो आङुर खणणी हुई. 100 जे तइदाद में मुंहिंजा सोल्जर्स मूंखां अची पुछंदा त असां वास्ते कहिड़ो हुकुम आहे. पर्दो लथो, ॿी सीन आई. ॿी सीन में मूंखे पार्ट ॾिनऊं हिकु ज़मींदार जे नौकर जो. मुंहिंजो नालो हो, जेको मां नेपोलियन हुउसि, सो वरी ॿीं सीन में थिए टेऊं. ज़मींदार वाको करे मूंखे चवे थो, टेऊं मूंखे पाणी जो गिलास भरे ॾे. उन वक़्तु मूंखे ख़्यालु थियो त ही मूंसां कीअं थो ॻाल्हाए तिखीअ तरह. ऐं अंदरि वारे चयो त मां जेकर सम्झायांसि त मां 5 मिंट अॻु वॾो राजा हुउसि ऐं तूं मुंहिंजो सोल्जर वएं. हीअं ॻाल्हाइबो आहे सोल्जर राजा सां. पर चङो थियो जो मूं ईअं न कयो, न त सॼो ड्रामा ख़लास थी वञे हा. त ही जेको कमु असांजी ड्यूटी जेका थिए थी, जेको फ़र्ज़ु असांखे करिणो आहे, उहो आहे पार्ट जो असांखे प्ले करिणो आहे इन द ग्रेट कॉस्मिक ड्रामा ऑफ लाइफ. जेकॾहिं मां पूरी तरह उहो नथो करियां त सॼो ड्रामा ख़लास थी थो वञे. इन करे हिक हिक खे पंहिंजो पार्ट, मूंखे सिंधीअ में पूरो नथो सम्झाइणु अचे, पर मां सम्झां थो तव्हां सम्झो था त जेको जेको पार्ट तव्हांखे मिलियल आहे, उहो पार्ट तव्हांखे करिणो आहे. ऐं उहो पार्ट बिल्कुलु पूरी तरह करिणो आहे. जे थोरो हेठि मथे कंदा, सॼो ड्रामा ख़लास थी वेंदो.
Dada, there's a question related to this part and duty. One person says that in the sadhana camp, I have been given the role of a volunteer and I miss attending the camp sessions. I miss attending the camp sessions because I'm doing seva. Which is better, to attend the meditation and camp sessions or to do the service given to me?
Perhaps if you explain to the organizers that you would prefer to come and sit in the hall instead of doing some other work, whatever be the work that is given to you. Maybe the organizers will listen to your request and permit you to come and sit in the hall. But if you are asked to play the part of a volunteer, you must play it well. Whatever be the part that is given to you, you must play it well. Playing it well means playing it with all your heart, playing it with love for God in the heart within. Lord, I would wish to be one of the listeners, but for your sake, I am doing this work. Then it would be as though you have become one of the listeners and also one of the workers. Yes.
Thank you, Dada. You have solved a really great query from all of us volunteers who are doing Sheva in the camp. Thank you so much for that, Dada. Dada, the next question is, should I listen to my brain or to my heart? I cannot listen to both since the outcomes will be totally different.
The best way is to think through the heart and feel through the brain. Yes. We think through the brain and feel through the heart, but do it the other way, yes, and you will be safe.
प्यारा दादा, तव्हांजा हज़ारनि में प्यारा सत्संगी आहिनि। सभिनी जी सार लहो पिया, पर असां मां हर को सम्झे थो त दादा मूंखे वधीक प्यार थो करे। सचपच केरु तव्हांजे दिलि जे क़रीब आहे जेको शांत में कमु करे थो या जेको शो ऑफ करे थो, ॾेखारे थो? चुप में या ॾेखारण में कहिड़ी शेवा क़बूल आहे?
मां उहो कीन आहियां जो तव्हीं चओ था। मां तव्हां वांगुरु आहियां, हिकु गुरूअ जे दर ते हिकु फ़क़ीर थी प्रार्थना करे रहियो आहियां। पर सचो कमु उहो आहे जो असीं साथ में करियूं था, जंहिंमें फर की न आहे, जंहिंमें ॾेखाव की न आहे, जंहिंमें होशियारी की न आहे, पर क्वाइट वे में असीं पंहिंजे गुरूअ जे सदके जो कमु करियूं था, उहो ई कमु गुरूअ जे चरणनि में क़बूल आहे।
Dada, the sadhana camp is meant for the earnest seeker. What if it is unaffordable for one such earnest seeker?
जे ख़बर पवंदी आहे त को साधना कैंप जॉइन करणु चाहे थो, पर हुन लाइ मुश्किल आहे, जेको अमाउंट फिक्स कनि था उहो भरे नथो सघे, त उनखे मुफ़्त में आणींदा आहिनि हिते। मूं पुछा कई, मूंखे ॿुधायऊं त अहिड़ा 38 केस संदन अॻियां आया ऐं उन्हनि 38 खे ई हिते आंदो अथनि। इन करे जेकॾहिं तव्हां लाइ ॾुखियो थिए थो, घणो मूंखे ख़बर कोन्हे घणो वठनि, ट्रिपल अकोमोडेशन लाइ घणो वठंदा? हा, त तव्हीं जेकॾहिं ऑर्गेनाइज़र्स खे चवंदा त हू तव्हां खां फी वठंदा की न, या जेकॾहिं तव्हांखे लॼ ईंदी हुजे चवण में त तव्हीं मूंखे स्लिप लिखी ॾिजो ऐं अची वेहिजो हिते तव्हांखे। ही इन करे हिते कैंप थिए थी छो जो हूअं असीं शिरडीअ में हली कैंप कंदा हुआसीं, उहा शायदि वधीक सस्ती हूंदी हुई, पर हींअर मां हुते नथो पहुची सघां, इन करे ऑर्गेनाइज़र्स चयो त असीं हिते कंदासीं कैंप। ऐं हिते वरी ॿियूं होटलूं जेकॾहिं आहिनि त उते एॾा वॾा हॉल्स कोन्हनि जो तव्हीं सहूलियत सां वेही सघो। जेकॾहिं नंढो हॉल हुजे, हेतिरा ॼणा वेही न सघनि, त पोइ उहे कुझु सिखण जे बदिरां पाण उन्हनि लाइ तकलीफ़ थी पवंदी। इन करे होटल अहिड़ी ॻोल्ही वई आहे जिते वॾो हॉल बि हुजे ऐं जिते जेतिरो सस्तो थी सघे ओतिरो। हिन वक़्तु बि जेकॾहिं तव्हां भरे छॾिया हुजनि पैसा ऐं तव्हीं ॾिसो था त तव्हां लाइ मुश्किल आहे, तव्हांखे जेतिरो चओ ओतिरो वापसि ॾेई सघंदासीं। हा,
Dada, is it necessary to have a guru? Can I not attain the goal through my own efforts?
If you are a Buddha, you can.
पूजनीय दादाजी, मुंहिंजो पहिरियों सुवालु आहे त माण्हुनि खे आख़िर घणनि भॻवाननि खे मञणु खपे। जीअं सावण जे महीने में शिव भॻवान खे, गणेश खे, गणपति जे ॾींहंनि में, एकाणनि में, नवरात्रनि में माता खे, चालीहे साहिब में झूलेलाल भॻवान खे, गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब खे या शनि भॻवान खे, हनुमान खे, आख़िर कंहिंजी पूॼा कजे? ॿार घणो करे इहो सुवालु हमेशह पुछंदा रहंदा आहिनि। असां पाण ई कंफ्यूज़ आहियूं।
भगवान हिकिड़ो आहे। भगवान घणा कीन आहिनि। भगवान हिकिड़ो आहे, पर खेसि रूप केतिरा आहिनि। ॾिसो, जीअं घर जो वॾो पिता थिए थो, पर उहो घर में उनखे पिता करे कोठींदा। ऑफिस में वञे थो त उनखे ऑफिस जो मालिक करे कोठींदा। शाम जो क्लब में वञे थो त उते उनखे मित्र करे कोठींदा। अहिड़ीअ तरह जुदा जुदा रूप प्रभुअ खे बि आहिनि। किथे गणपतिअ जो रूप वठे थो, किथे दक्षिणामूर्ति जो रूप वठे थो। इहे रूप जुदा जुदा आहिनि। तव्हांखे जंहिं बि रूप सां दिलि लॻे तव्हीं उहो रूप हमेशह उन रूप जे अॻियां सिर झुकाए सघो था। ज़रूरी की न आहे त तव्हीं सभिनी रूपनि जे अॻियां वञी सिर झुकायो। जेको रूप तव्हांखे वणे तंहिंजे अॻियां सिर झुकायो। पर प्रभु हिकु अथव। God is one. In fact, in one of our ancient books, it is written that in the beginning there was one. The one thought to itself, I am one, let me be many. Eko ham bahu shami. The one traveled the tracks of time, and the one entered the field of space, and this whole universe was born. Therefore, in every atom, there is that one. You have to make your choice.
Dada, you told us of a sequence of the soul, the intellect, the mind. In this sequence, where does the heart feature?
The intellect.
Okay. The intellect is the heart.
Yes. The mind are used. The intellect decides. Within every one of us, there is a physical heart on the left side and a spiritual heart in line with the physical heart at the center. In the spiritual heart, there is a cave. In the cave resideth the Lord. Yes. The Lord is asleep in most of the cases. We have to wake him up. That infinite energy is locked up in the heart.
Dada, in the previous question, you mentioned that God is one and we can choose which form we wish to worship.
Which form or which forms?
Which forms we wish to worship, Dada.
Yes.
So this person wants to ask a question. He says, since childhood, I have always believed that if God exists, it is you. Dada, today I just want to thank you for every single thing that you have done for me. Can I please come to you and touch your feet?
If I have feet, you can touch them. But I have no feet. Sometimes I feel this is my feet. So if anybody wants to touch the feet, let him come and give me his blessing. You come and touch me. Come and give me. Where do you stay?
My maternal place is in Ulhasnagar. I'm married to Kalyan. It's been honor.
God
Raja
bless.
Shukranala Kare Satamasi.
God bless.
दादा हिन सत्संग में झूलेलाल भॻवान जो कॾहिं बि वर्णन न हूंदो आहे। उहो असां सिंधी माण्हुनि जो भॻवानु आहे, रोशनी विझंदा।
जीअं मूं चयो भॻवान जा घणेई रूप आहिनि, त इन्हनि सभिनी रूपनि जो जेकॾहिं ज़िक्र कजे त रुॻो नाला चवण में ई असांजो वक़्तु ख़लासु थी वेंदो। इन करे जेको नेचुरल वे में जो नालो अचे थो उहो असीं वठूं था। झूलेलाल बि भॻवान जो हिकिड़ो रूप आहे। जॾहिं सिंधी तमामु कठिन वक़्त मां लंघे रहिया, उन वक़्तु प्रभुअ झूलेलाल जो रूप वठी हिन पृथ्वीअ ते आया। दुनियनि में सिंध जो राजा, ही वॉज द टायरेंट, तमामु कठोर दिलि जो इंसानु हो ऐं माण्हुनि खे चवंदो हो या तव्हीं इस्लाम क़बूल करियो या तव्हांजो सिर असीं कपींदासीं। उन वक़्तु झूलेलाल आयो ऐं अची सिंधी हिंदुनि जो बचाव कयई। इन करे केतिरा प्रभुअ खे उन रूप में ॾिसंदा आहिनि, उन जो नालो जपींदा आहिनि। तव्हीं जे चाहियो त असीं बि ईअं करियूं।
Dada, in today's materialistic world, it becomes very difficult to decide whom to trust and whom not to trust. How do we know whom we should trust and whom we should not trust?
If you can contact some spiritual elder, he may be able to help you. I know it is very difficult, very difficult. Therefore, the teaching that is given to us is that you should not set out in search of a guru. The true guru will come and find you out himself. Because when we set out in search of the guru, there are so many gurus who are not gurus, but who call themselves gurus. Therefore, best is to pray that we may come in touch with a guru. When the aspiration within the heart grows strong, the guru appears. This is a law of spiritual life. When the chela is ready, the guru appears. Yes.
Dear Dada, can I go ahead with the next question, please? Beloved Dada, if we get multiple births as per our karma, then what is mukti? How can we call ourselves truly mukt?
And what is the question?
If we get multiple births as per our karma, then what is mukti?
Mukti, therefore, as we are told in the Gita, Sri Krishna, speaking unto his dear devoted disciple Arjuna, says to him, Arjuna, I have spoken to you about many things, but the secret of spiritual life is surrender. If you surrender to me, I shall take the load of all your karmas, good or bad, and grant you mukti. So we have then to move on the path of surrender. Neither karma, nor bhakti, nor jnana, but we move on the path of surrender. We surrender everything to the Lord. Lord, I can do nothing. I have trodden many ways, but I have not received mukti. Now I come to you with this final prayer. I seek surrender at thy lotus feet. And you are true to your word, you will grant me mukti. The words are in the Bhagavad Gita. Dharman sabhin jo kare tyago Arjuna. Renouncing all rights and rich duties, come unto me for surrender. Dharman sabhin jo kare tyago Arjuna, tu mehje sharana. Come and seek surrender at my lotus feet. The papan ja bandhana sabhe aautorya achi mukti paye. I shall free you from bondage to sin and suffering and grant you the gift of liberation, mukti.
दादा, स्पिरिचुअल गुरुअ ते वधीक विश्वास करणु खपे या पूजा ऐं मंत्रनि ते? स्पिरिचुअल गुरु उन ते वधीक विश्वास रखणु खपे या पूजा ऐं मंत्रनि ते?
पूजा ऐं मंत्र कंहिं तव्हांखे सेखारियो? गुरुअ सेखारियो न. पूजा ऐं मंत्र तव्हांखे गुरुअ ई सेखारियो. तंहिंजी माना तव्हां गुरुअ ते डिपेंड करियो था न. न त पूजा ऐं मंत्र केरु तव्हांखे सेखारे. इहो अहिड़ो थियो जहिड़ो पुछिजे त अलफ ॿिए ते वधीक मां डिपेंड करियां या टीचर ते डिपेंड करियां. अलफ ॿिए त टीचर ई थो सेखारे न. This question is an answer in itself. Yes. जेकी बि असीं सिखूं था पूजा मंत्र असांखे गुरु ई सेखारे थो न. ऐं जेकॾहिं कंहिंखे असीं गुरु करियूं था त पहिरियों क़ाइदो आहे त we should trust him. We should depend on him. We should obey him.
Dada, we are told that when we move on to the other world, those of our loved ones who have preceded us come to receive us. What if they have taken a rebirth or have attained to mukti?
If they have taken a rebirth, then it will not be possible for them to come and receive you because they are embodied creatures. But the ones that have attained to mukti, they can come and receive you. But so many of your friends and relatives will come and meet you that you will not miss anybody. Yes.
Beloved Dada, there is a related question. Can the departed souls of our loved ones connect with us? Do they watch over us?
If they desire to do so, they can do it. But remember, when we drop our physical body and move on to the astral world, there is work waiting for us. We are kept busy. Each one is given a duty to perform. In addition, they can also take some little care of us, yes. Yes.
प्यारा दादा, मूंखे 8 साल थिया आहिनि अहिंसा जो खाधो छॾे, पर पहिरियों जो मूं खाधो आहे त मां पाण खे कीअं माफ़ु कयां? दादा थोरो हिन बारे में कुझु ॿुधायो।
पाणीअ ढुकरो पी छॾियो, सभु वॉश थी वेंदो। ऐं जेकॾहिं कुझु वधीक करणु चाहियो था त इहे जानवर या पखी जिन खे तव्हां खाधो आहे उन्हनि जी शेवा करियो, पखियुनि खे खारायो, कुतनि खे रोटियूं ॾियो, कीलियूं उन्हनि खे खंडु ॾियो या मुस्ती ॾियो, उन्हनि जी शेवा करियो। हा।
Dada, when you say be simple, what is the simplicity you're referring to? Simplicity of lifestyle, simplicity of dress? What simplicity are you referring to?
Simplicity of every aspect of life. Simple in dress, simple in diet, simple in daily living, simple in speech, simple in behavior towards others. Simplicity becomes the rule of my life, yes.
Dada, this is a question from a working couple who have just recently become parents. They say, we have a 1-year-old child. How should we lead our lives so that we do not compromise in imparting the correct values to our child?
You should be their role examples, role models. Children your words do not affect them. It is the way you behave, it is your actions that reform them or otherwise. I know of a child, he came to me, he said that my father always tells me to speak the truth. But last Sunday, a man came from the bank. He knocked the door, I opened it. He said, is your father inside? I told him, wait, I'll go and see if he is there. I went to my father's bedroom and he was there. I told him that a man from the bank has come to meet you. He said, no, go and tell him that he is not here. He is not at home. Now, he said, I found myself in a very difficult situation. On the one hand, I had to speak the truth. On the other hand, I had to tell him something which is untruth. So, I quietly told him that my father tells me to tell you that he is not at home. Now, we have to behave in such a way. It is the daily conduct of the parents that affects the child, yes.
मुंहिंजा प्रीतम मुंहिंजा मुर्शिद दादल तव्हांजी कृपा सां मां तव्हां वटि अची सघां थी, पर हाणे तव्हांजी महिर खां सवाइ उकीर सिद्दीक़ अञा कोन थियो आहे। मूं ते महिर कयो दादा।
घुरी वठो, जेकॾहिं असांजूं दिलियूं अञा ठोठ आहिनि, अञा सुकल आहिनि, अञा उकीर सां आलियूं कीन थियूं आहिनि, घुरी वठो। हिकु सतपुरुख पंहिंजनि प्यारनि खे चयो, आस्क एंड इट शैल बी गिवन अनटू यू। तव्हां घुरी वठो। प्रभुअ खां असीं छा था घुरी वठूं? असीं प्रार्थना करियूं था त असीं सतपुरुख चवंदा आहिनि त असीं फ़क़ति प्रभुअ खां वञी गजरूं ऐं ॿेर घुरूं था। तव्हां घुरी वठो प्रभुअ खां, प्रभु घुरी वठो, प्रभुअ लाइ प्यारु घुरी वठो, प्रभुअ लाइ सिक उकीर, प्रभु लाइ इश्क घुरी वठो। अंसारी वॾो दरवेश थी वियो आहे, हेरात मुल्क में संदसि जनम थियो, केस को थींदा आहिनि अंसारी ऑफ हेरात। पोइ उहो प्रार्थना हिकिड़ी कंदो हो, प्रभु तो वटि लोक अचनि था, अची केतिरियूं शयूं घुरनि था, पर मां हिकु फ़क़ीर थी तो वटि अचां थो, मूंखे हिकु ई चीज़ खपे, मूंखे तुंहिंजो प्यारु खपे, मूंखे ॿियो कुझु खपे की न। त इहा जॾहिं हालति थिए थी, तॾहिं असांखे बेशक प्रभुअ लाइ प्यारु, प्रभुअ लाइ सिक, प्रभुअ लाइ उकीर दिलि जे अंदरि पैदा थिए थी। पोइ असीं नंढियूं नंढियूं ॻाल्हियूं वञी था घुरूं। हिकिड़ो प्यारो भाउ मूंखे कढियो, चईं मां रोज़ु प्रार्थना कंदो आहियां, मुंहिंजे माउ खे ॾाढो वणंदो आहे त कंहिं टकरीअ ते घरु हुजे जंहिं घर में असीं रहूं। मां प्रभुअ खां रोज़ु इहो घुरंदो आहियां, प्रभु असांखे को घरु ॾे जो टकरीअ ते ठहियलु हुजे। हाणे घरु अहिड़ो मिले न मिले वॾी ॻाल्हि की न आहे, पर असांखे जेकी घुरणु खपे सो फ़क़ति प्रभुअ लाइ प्यारु, प्रभुअ लाइ सिक, प्रभुअ लाइ उकीर, उहो घुरो। असीं हिन कैंप मां इहो सिखी वञूं सबक़ु हिकिड़ो, तव्हीं ऐं मां बि जेकर इहो सबक़ु सिखी हलूं त असीं प्रभुअ खां घुरूं ई प्रभुअ लाइ प्यारु। पोइ कहिड़ी बि हालति में, छाकाणि असांजो इम्तिहान बि थिए थो, प्रभु ॾिसणु चाहे थो त सचपचु हिन खे मां खपां या मां ऐं ॿियूं शयूं बि खपनि। त प्रभुअ खे रुगो पक थी वञे त असांखे रुगो प्रभु तूं खपीं त ॾिसो तव्हांखे केॾी सिक, केॾो प्यारु तव्हांजे अंदरि उथारे। अंसारी जी प्रार्थना हूंदी हुई, God, people come to you and they ask you for many things, but I ask for one thing only. I want thee and thee alone. I want thee and love for thee alone.
Dada, this person says, I send you a hug every day from thousands of miles away. Do you receive it?
Sometimes. Sometimes that hug lasts for quite some time, and sometimes it disappears very soon. It depends upon the quality.
Dear Dada, if we make mistakes after the Guru has poured his grace on us, will he take back his grace?
The Guru will never take away his grace, the grace that he has poured upon us. No. The Guru has himself passed through experiences through which we are passing now. He knows how difficult it is to live in this world of Maya. He knows it. He has experienced. This is the difference between Guru and God. This is the difference between Guru and the Avatara.
दादा, जॾहिं केरु पंहिंजे ई नज़रुनि में किरी पवे त पाण खे उथारण लाइ छा करणु खपे?
पहिरीं ॻाल्हि त जेकॾहिं किरी पवे थो त he should repent, पछताव करे, प्रभु मूंखां वरी हीअ चुक थी पई आहे ऐं मां पछताव करियां थो, मूंखे ॾे तूं माफ़ी, मूंखे ॾे तूं माफ़ी। ॿी ॻाल्हि जा हुनखे करणु खपे त जेको रॉन्ग हिन कयो आहे उनखे जेकॾहिं राइट करे सघे त जेकर वञी करे सम्झो हुन कंहिंसां तमामु तिखो ॻाल्हायो आहे, तिखो ॻाल्हाइणु न खपेसि, त उन खां वञी माफ़ी वठे, चवे मूंखे माफ़ु कजो, शायदि हुनखे सबबु ॿुधाए सघे थो छो मूं तिखो ॻाल्हायो या कीअं, ॻाल्हि खे सिधो करण जी कोशिशि करे। ऐं टी ॻाल्हि प्रभु खे प्रार्थना करे, प्रभु मूं ते तूं आसीस कर, तूं आसीस जो भंडार आहीं, मूंखे आसीस कर त मां वरी अहिड़ो कमु न करियां। दिस इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट। वरी असीं उहो कमु न करियूं, जेका चुक कई अथऊं थी वई आहे, बट इट शुड नॉट बी रिपीटेड। ऐं जेकॾहिं पाण ते को ॾंडु ॾेई सघे, रखी सघे त उहो मदद करे थो। हिकु माण्हूअ चयो त मां कूड़ ॻाल्हाए ॾींदो आहियां, ॻाल्हाइण में मूंखे ख़बर कोन पवंदी आहे, पर पोइ पछताईंदो ॾाढो आहियां, मां छा करियां? अंब खाइण जी सीज़न हुई उहा, मूं चयोमांसि तोखे अंब वणंदा न खाइण, चईं मूंखे अंब, मां खोखो अंबनि जो वठी घर में रखंदो आहियां, मूं चयोमांसि त हिन सीज़न में तूं हिकु बि अंब न खा। पहिरीं ॾिठई, चईं ॾाढो ॾुखियो आहे, पर चईं त ईअं करण सां मां पंहिंजे हिन चुक खे कंट्रोल करे सघियुसि, त का न का सज़ा पाण खे ॾियो।
Dada, this question pertains to the rules of the camp. Someone wants to ask, what is the reservation to permitting couples to stay together in sadhana camps in India?
I think the question should have been put the other way. Why is it that in the West you do not you are better off than the people who have camps in the West. They should follow you. You should not imitate them, no. You are on a higher standard. Why do you want to come low down.
Is it necessary to say to the Guru, "You are my Guru," and get his acceptance? And get his acceptance.
The disciple has this privilege. He can make anyone he likes his Guru. But the Guru does not have that privilege. He cannot make anybody his disciple. Have you understood? Ekvalya made Dronacharya his Guru. Dronacharya did not want to make Ekvalya his Guru. You understand? But this privilege is given only to the disciple. You can make anyone you like as your Guru, but you should be very careful.
Is it necessary to take Naam from the Guru? If I have not taken Naam, is he still my Guru?
It depends upon the Guru. It depends upon the Guru. If the Guru wants you to take Naam, you should take Naam. But if he doesn't want, he does not. There are Gurus who can directly touch the heart of the disciple. For such disciples, it is not necessary to take Naam. Any name of God will be the Naam for that disciple. Yes.
Beloved Dada, if you were a magician, what changes would you make in the world?
If I were,
A magician.
I would convert the earth into a kingdom of heaven. But because God wants to continue to have the earth as it is, He has not given me the power of a magician. But His will be done. Yeah.
Dada, where you are for us, that is heaven, Dada.
प्यारा दादा, जेके गुरुअ जे अॻियां हूंदा आहिनि उहे वधीक क़िस्मत वारा हूंदा आहिनि ऐं जेके ॿिए शहर में रहंदा आहिनि, जेके पंहिंजे गुरुअ जा दर्शन न करे सघंदा आहिनि, उन्हनि ते गुरुअ जी महिर ऐं आसीस कीअं थींदी? महिरबानी करे इहो
Guru's ji mahar ya Guru's ji आसीस, it is not physical. Guru पंहिंजी महर पंहिंजे वीचार द्वारा मोकिले सघे थो. गुरु पंहिंजी महर पंहिंजे हथ द्वारा मोकिले सघे थो, जा उन्हनि खे मिले थी जेके गुरूअ जे नज़दीक आहिनि. पर वीचारधारा द्वारा गुरु पंहिंजी महर मोकिले सघे थो, केतिरा महिल परे हुजे डिसाइपल. ऐं केतिरा भेरा ईअं थियो आहे त डिसाइपल जेकॾहिं गुरूअ जे भरिसां रहे थो त गुरूअ जे घर में गोड़ थी पवे थो, गुरूअ जे घर में नथा चाहिनि. अहिड़ा बि एग्ज़ाम्पल्स थिया आहिनि. पोइ गुरू पाण पंहिंजे शिष्य खे चवे थो त तूं जेके वञी परे रहीं त उहो बहितरु थिए. ऐं उहो शिष्य जो चयो मञी, because the Guru wants nothing more than obedience from the disciple. चयो वञी जेकॾहिं परे वञी रहे थो त उनखे उते वधीक आसीस मिले थी तंहिंखां जो जॾहिं गुरूअ जे नज़दीक रहियो थिए आसीस।
Dada, after you have taken Naam from your Guru, but you do not repeat the Naam every day, does it displease the Guru?
And nothing should displease the Guru. The Guru is one who has risen above pleasure and displeasure. But the Guru feels happy if you obey him, if you repeat the name that he has given you, he feels happy. But there is no displeasure if the disciple does not. He knows that the day will come when the disciple will repeat the name. Yes.
Is it okay to sing in order to reach close to the Guru if you cannot meditate and recite the Naam?
The idea is that I should reach, I should move Godward. All these things, they are not compulsory. The goal is God, and I have to reach God. Whether I go on this way or on this way or on this way does not make any difference. I have to reach God. Therefore, whatever you do with God in view is the way for you. That is why in one of the shlokas of the Bhagavad Gita, the Lord says to Arjuna, Arjuna, whatever you eat, whatever you give in charity, whatever austerity you practice, whatever you do, do it as an offering unto me. What a simple way. Shri Krishna Arpana. You have listened to Sadhu Vaswani's talk in which he says the best speech is silence, and the best silence is worship, and the best worship is yagna, and the best yagna is offering, the best offering is arpanam, and the best arpanam is Shri Krishna Arpanam. Shalahiya zindagi arpan rahe Krishna je kamala kadman mein. That is the final point. If I do everything for the sake of the love that I have for God, it's enough. Neither meditation, nor singing, nor chanting, nor doing anything is necessary. There's a song which the sisters sing sometimes, Mukha puchanityu chona chona katitu. Kati, katan mana prayer karan, या नाम जपण या महला फेरण तूं छो नथी करी तोखे हेॾो प्रभुअ लाइ प्यारु आहे तूं छो नथी करी छो नथी करियां जवाबु ॾिए थी मां त दम दम दिलबर तोखे वेठी ॾियां जेकॾहिं असीं दम दम दिलबर खे ध्यायूं ॿिए कंहिं ॻाल्हि जी ज़रूरत ई कोन्हे. If any one of you has a question, yes.
दादा मूंखे तव्हांजी कृपा खपे जन्मनि जन्मनि खां भटकियल आहियूं
बराबरि
तव्हांजी आसीस खपे
कृपा लाइ पुकारियो कृपा लाइ दिलि जे अंदरि घुर्ज पैदा करियो
हे मन जा पर्दा आहिनि उहे कीअं छुटनि मन ते
मन जा पर्दा कीअं छुटनि मन ते पर्दा आहिनि उहे कीअं लहनि
नाम जपींदा करियो
तव्हांजी आसीस सां महिर सां
नाम जपींदा करियो
बचरनि ते आसीस कयो
बचरनि ते बचड़नि खे पंहिंजो करे न सम्झो,
दादा
बचड़ा न जाइनि।
दादा दादा जन
तव्हीं फ़क़ति आया आहियो, आया सम्झो था,
हा
मेड सर्वेंट,
नौकर बणिजी
हा
नौकर बणिजी आहे
ॿारनि जी संभाल जो कमु तव्हां ते प्रभुअ रखियो आहे, पर
तव्हांजी
ॿार
आसीस
तव्हां
खपे, तव्हांजी आसीस दया खपे।
आसीस प्रभु जी आहे।
दादा आशा दादा आशा।
Dada, my Dada and my Nana both passed away on my birthday.
बहुत पास है on your birthday.
I don't know how to deal with this and I can't understand what it signifies. Could you please help me?
Don't try to understand. These are natural things. Whoever is born must die. He must die on some day. He has chosen to die on your birthday. You should feel happy because death is a promotion. They have been promoted on your birthday. What else would you desire?
Thank you. Will you be my grandfather, Dada? Please take me as your grandchild.
I will be your grandchild.
May I please come and seek your blessings?
God bless you.
In one of the question answer sessions, I think in August sometime, you had explained about the entire process after death, okay, which is very interesting. I had one doubt in it.
Entire process of
After death,
yes.
the tube and all that.
Yeah.
You had explained it. So I had one doubt. That was, is our thinking process, the way we think and analyze things here, is it same when we are there, like the analytical process and the thinking process and decision making? Is it same
Is the process the same?
of thinking
No.
and
Is the
decision?
process that you have now, is it the same as it was when you are 5 years old? Then the process changes.
Okay.
Yes,
Thank you so much.
yes.
Dada, when we lose our near and dear ones, how should we overcome that grief?
You can overcome, as I told Vidhi, that if you feel that they have been promoted to a higher position, you will feel happy. Supposing you get the news that your son has been promoted to a higher position, would you not be happy? So think of it in that way
Thank you, Dada.
and feel grateful to God.
I love you, Dadaji. Thank
So
you.
do I.
Thank you.
Dada, please tell us how we should forget after forgiving. I feel like I do that just in words, but somewhere in my mind I hold on all the grudges. Please guide me.
It will begin with words, but keep on repeating the words. As you repeat the words, a stage will come when those words will come out of the depths of your heart. Do it again and again. A stage will come when you will truly forgive. Yes.
Thank you, Dada.
मां तव्हां में पंहिंजे फादर डॉक्टर रेवाचंद गोदवाणी जा दर्शन थो कयां दादा। रेवाचंद गोदवाणी जा दर्शन थो कयां। मां तव्हांखे प्रणाम पहिरें पई थो सघां दादा।
प्रणाम त प्यारा मूंखे पाण मोकिलिजो, मां तव्हांखे
तव्हां साम्हूं वेठोसि, मूंखे कंटिन्यूअस पंहिंजे फादर जी यादि।
बराबर. He was a fine man. He was a wonderful man. He had written a thesis on Sadhu Vaswani.
जी दादा।
Do you have that book?
यस दादा।
You have it. He was a wonderful soul. He was the chairman for a number of years of the Rajkot Center, Sadhu Aswani Center. Yes.
हा
Accept my pranam.
हा असां जूनागढ़ में बि उते सत्संग रेगुलर शुरू कयो आहे
I see.
दादा खां पोइ उहा जवाबदारी मां संभाली आहे
I had visited your house
हाँ,
in
दादा।
Junagadh.
हाँ,
That was
दादा।
years ago.
हा, जाम आसीस आहे दादा
Years ago.
मां तव्हांजा चरण स्पर्श करण थो चाहियां दादा
प्यारा चरण मां स्पर्श करे तव्हीं छो करियो तव्हीं छो करियो हा।
Dada, I'm a 8-year-old boy. I just wanted to know that how do we control our anger?
When you become angry, slap yourself. Anger will. If there are any
Pranam,
urgent questions,
Pranam Dada, I just wanted to know how do I confront with someone that the person is wrong? If somebody is doing something wrong with others, like my colleague is doing wrong with others, how do I tell her?
it is none of your business.
But she is never, she never keeps anyone happy, my manager.
None of your business. Who has told you to confront him?
But we are not
Is
happy
it
the
a
way
part
she is.
in the appointment letter that you got? Have they written that you have to confront the manager? If it is not there, it's none of your business. You have to do your duty. An actor on the stage will not play the part of someone else. You regard yourself as an actor on the stage. You have been given certain duties. You have been given certain duties to perform. Perform those duties. Don't involve yourself in anything else. Otherwise there will be no end. If you want to do anything, then you can pray. Pray in the heart within, yes. Pray that God may give that love to the manager so that he behaves in a better way, whatever be the condition, you pray for it, yes.
दादा तव्हांखे कोटि कोटि प्रणाम मुंहिंजा
तव्हांखे कोटि कोटि प्रणाम
Dada, yesterday you said that the friends who lead us to the wrong way, they are not our friends. But the teenagers who are into an age of the experimentations, they cannot differentiate that he is my real friend or he is my fake friend who is leading me to the wrong track. So how can we explain or justify to our teenagers, our children, that their friends are not taking them to the right path?
Then you should refer some elders. They will know, they will be able to guide you.
No, but Dada, when we explain to our children that no, this is wrong, but they are spending so much of time with their friends, with their studies and all that, they are not influenced to the parents. They are
You should give so much love to your children that they listen to you more than they would listen to their own.
But Dada, if I say that I had given the time, but still now what has been given would be less to him, and now the done is done. So how now I can further correct it out?
Pray for them.
Okay. And Dada, can I come and take your blessings with my family, my husband and child?
Dada, why there is so poverty in the world?
Bring me the figures, how many people are poor.
So people treat like them a beggars.
Pardon?
So people treat them like a beggar.
How many beggars? Let me know the facts, then I'll tell you the answer.
Dada, is it necessary to know the meaning of a mantra when you recite them?
No, there are mantras that have no meaning at all.
It's okay if we just recite them without knowing what it means?
Yes.
Okay.
They are just a combination of some powerful words.
Okay.
Each word has some power. And a combination of those words may have no meaning at all. Yes.
Dada, you also said all God is one and we have to get attracted to one of them. But I'm finding it very difficult to identify that one God. What do I do, Dada?
Then think of everybody as a god.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dada, it's my mom's birthday today and she is thankful that every year she's in the sadhana camp.
I see.
And she would like to come and meet you, Dada.
Yes.
कोटि कोटि प्रणाम तव्हांजे चरणनि
कोटि
में
कोटि प्रणाम
मूंखे बसि तव्हांजे चरणनि जी भक्ति खपे ऐं मूंखे तव्हांजे हथ जो स्पर्श खपे
मां लहां थो अचां थो तव्हां
ऐं मुंहिंजे पतीअ जे लाइ आशीष खपे हिते आया आहिनि उन्हनि जे लाइ आशीष खपे
ऐं हिन जा प्यारा पति तव्हां ते आसीस अचे
दादा तव्हांजे चरणनि में प्रणाम तव्हां हींअर चयो त जॾहिं असांजो को नियर एंड डियर वन डिपार्ट थो करे त असांखे सेलिब्रेट करणु खपे पर अगरि उनजे लाइ सेलिब्रेशन आहे for the promotion but पर जेके उन जी प्रमोशन थी वई पर जेके पेरेंट्स आहिनि who lose a young boy and in his 30s and was left behind a young family then how can we कीअं सम्झायूं पाण खे
Then you must understand one thing, that whoever is born must die. If he will not die, the population will increase to such an extent that you won't be able to stand. Through all the centuries, if only people are born, after all, the area of the earth is limited. You won't get space even to stand. Therefore, this is the law of life. Whoever is born must die. And this is only operation of that law.
Yeah, it's operation, but difficult to celebrate for the family, you know.
Difficult because of our attachment. Supposing your neighbor dies, you don't feel much. But if your own relation dies, you start weeping, you start crying, you start being depressed. It is because of our attachment. We should understand that no one belongs to us. This is a plane, the plane of the earth. On this plane, we don't have to have any attachment.
Okay.
You must so train yourself. Yes.
Thank you, then.
Dada, when I do a good karmas, I always suffer. Why, Dada?
I do good karmas, but I always suffer. Why?
Because your good karmas are accepted.
Okay. Thank you, Dada.
Yes.
One question, Dada.
Yes.
Dada, I have read in a number of books, like in the Quran, they say that kun fi kun. In the Bible, they say that the word has made this whole world. In the Guru Granth Sahib, they say that Shabad has made this entire world and creation. So is this word the Guru, or what is the Guru?
The word is what was uttered in the beginning. In the beginning, there was only one.
So is that the Guru?
That is the Guru of Gurus.
So does it mean that the word kun and
That-
Shabad,
That is God. In the beginning, there was only one. That one bethought to itself, I am one, let me be many. And that one trod the tracks of time, and that one entered the fields of space, and both space and time were born. Therefore, whenever anything happens, we ask, where did this happen? And we ask, when did this happen? Time and space were born.
So when you say about the Guru, so is the Guru a part of that, the one who has made this the world? Because they say Guru Shabad hai, Shabad Guru hai.
Everyone is part, not only the Guru, but everyone. You are also a part of that. Yeah.
Thank you, Dada. For seeking our blessings.